Hi everybody, welcome to this Python tutorial. In today's video, we're going to be learning what Python is, how you can use it, install VS Code and Python. Let's get into it. First of all, what is Python? Python is a language for talking to computers. It's like giving the computer a set of instructions, and Python makes it easy to do. Why do we need it? It's easy. Python is one of the simplest ways to start coding. It's powerful. You can make games, websites, robots, and much more. It's everywhere. Python is used in apps, games, and even social media. What can Python do? Well, it can create games, it can build websites, it can even control websites. Now that we know what Python is, let's go ahead and install Python and VS Code. To install Python, head over to the python.org website, or look up Python download, and click the one that says download Python. Hover over the downloads button and click the button that appears. There, Python should start downloading, and then you can launch it, and then click then you can launch it, and then launch it, and then you click install now, and then it's going to start loading. Then once it's finished, click close. Now we're going to go install VS. Look up VS Studio Code install. Choose your operating system. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to pick that. It should start loading, and if it doesn't, click this direct link over here. Once it's finished loading, go ahead and click the launch button. See this setup pop up? Click I accept the agreement and then next. I'm going to leave the destination where it is. You can change it if you want to. Then I'm going to leave the start menu folder as it is. You can change it, or you can click don't create a start menu folder. For this, I'm going to select all of them. You can select which ones you want. And then I'm going to click install. Once it's finished, go ahead and click the finish button. Then it should launch VS Studio Code. Now we're going to open a new folder. Click open folder. I already have mine installed here called Python tutorial. But this is how you create a new folder. Right click. You right click new, and then folder. And then you can name it whatever you want. Once you've done that, click select folder. Now we need to install some extensions. Look up Python. Then you should see an install button there for Python Debugger and Python. Then you should install both of them. Now we're going to create a new file. You just click that and name it whatever you want. I'm naming it lesson 01 for the sake of this video. Now we're going to ask Python to print hello world. And then we're going to run it, start debugging, and click Python file. Start debugging means it's going to step through every line of code one by one, and if you want to start debugging, you have to click a breakpoint. And then we're going to ask Python to do some math. We're going to ask Python to print 2 plus 2. Now we're going to run it and click Run without debugging. And there we have it. 4. Just in case you don't know what print is, we'll explain that in the next video. Bye. And before you go, your task is to write 3 more print statements. Comment what you write down in the description. Bye. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.